Okay, boys and girls, so today we are going to be adding integers. So I have my two chips over here. So red is going to represent a positive number and blue is going to represent a negative number. So we're going to be using these to help us visualize kind of what's going on within these questions. So our first question is positive 4 plus negative 7. So I'm always going to start with my first number. So it wants me to put down 4 positive chips. I'm going to grab 4 positive chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it wants me to add 7 negative chips. So I'm going to take 7 negative chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now I have all the chips that asked me to represent. So now I'm just going to take my pen tool here. And I'm going to cross out my zero pairs. So zero pairs, we've already talked about this before, but they're when you have one positive number and one negative number, and they cancel each other out, right? Because a positive plus a negative, if they're the exact same number, they'll just equal 0. So I'm going to cross out all my zero pairs. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now that I've crossed out all my zero pairs, what am I left with? I'm left with 1, 2, 3 negative chips. So my answer then is going to be negative 3. Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to move on to our second example. So this one wants me to put down 6 negative chips. It's negative 6 plus 3. So grab 6 negatives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now it wants me to add 3 positive chips. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I'm going to do exactly what I did up here, and I'm going to cross out my zero pairs. So there's one, there's another, and there's one more. So what am I left with? I'm left with 1, 2, 3 negative chips. So my answer then, again, is going to be negative 3. Okay, so boys and girls, tomorrow we're going to be practicing a little bit of this. We'll do a quick little review. But if you could create your own addition problem on a piece of paper and draw out your chips, you're going to hand that in to me at the door tomorrow morning. I hope you all